Are you tired of traditional weight loss methods that leave you feeling drained? Meet Weight Loss Breeze, a revolutionary program designed to boost metabolism naturally and support long-term weight loss through guided breathing techniques. Weight Loss Breeze is a unique dietary solution that helps individuals achieve their weight loss goals effectively. Its easy-to-digest fruit-flavored drink nourishes your body while managing calorie intake. Why is Weight Loss Breeze a game-changer? First, it stimulates natural fat burning through improved oxygen intake. Second, it supports sustainable weight loss without extreme dieting. Finally, it's easy to integrate into your daily routine, making it suitable for everyone. Using Weight Loss Breeze is simple. Start with daily guided breathing exercises for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you progress, incorporate deep breathing into your daily activities. This helps keep your metabolism active. This program is not just about breathing. It includes instructional guides, video demonstrations, and lifestyle advice for long-term weight control. Plus, it's safe, natural, and easily accessible digitally. Don't just take our word for it. Users have reported increased energy, reduced cravings, and improved overall wellness. Many have transformed their lives by incorporating these techniques into their daily practices. In summary, Weight Loss Breeze offers a unique, drug-free approach to weight management. It provides essential nutrients, boosts energy, and reduces stress, all within a comforting beverage. So why wait? Try Weight Loss Breeze risk-free with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Click the link below and start your journey to a healthier, happier you today.